Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare fried plantain mixed with beans porridge. So guys can see the item. This is my boiled beans. Here I have sliced onion, half pepper, half crayfish, half tomato paste, Maggi season and plantain already cut in cube. So let's start. I'm going to use vegetable oil to prepare it, mixed with palm oil. So let's start. Now on the gas, put pot on the fire. So you allow water to dry. So I'm going to mix vegetable oil with palm oil, mix it together to prepare the food. Very delicious food. So guys, you see how the food will be, you like to eat it. So allow the water to dry. And now put the water dry. You now add the vegetable oil. This is case. Add the vegetable oil. The water is very nice now to dry. Now add palm oil. Just little. Just little. That's it. No, it's beans. You don't mix it with palm oil. You're not enjoying it. You allow it to fry before putting onion. You now put onion. You put onion. Make sure you allow onion to fry. After putting onion, now put your tomato paste. Allow it to fry. So you kukuma add pepper. And you allow it to fry very well. You allow it to fry very well before adding any other things. Now add the season. That is Maggi season inside the tomato that you are frying. Now add little salt. Try now to put crayfish. Now add little water. Then you allow it to boil before putting the beans. So let's put the beans. After you make the sauce, you started putting the beans. That's the beans that you boil. So after you put the beans, you mix them together. Then you cover it like 10 minutes. So after I put the beans for fire, I'll now go back to plantain and fry the plantain. You season it with salt, put little salt, see, to season it. Already put oil in the fry pan, now on the fire. You allow the oil to hot before putting the plantain. So the oil is hot now. I have to put the plantain inside and fry it. Allow the oil to hot so that it's not soak the plantain. See the way I slice it. I slice on round, slice on cube, and slice the way you like, and slice it the way you like. So you allow it to fry well. You allow it to fry very well. So guys can see, already fried the plantain. So it's time now to mix it with beans. See the beans on the fire. So after you do, you put the plantain and you mix them together. See? So after you mix it, leave it like 5 minutes to done together. So guys can see. So I'll now off the light and dish it and see. Wow. And see? That is fried plantain mixed with beans porridge. Very yummy. Wow. So guys can see. And see it's set to eat. Let me test it because it's very hot. I will allow it to cool small before I will balance and eat it. Very delicious. So that is all for fried plantain mixed with beans porridge. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.